Welcome to CreaTech's e-learning platform www.learnnew.org. If you are a mechanical engineer with less than 5 years of experience in the industry or a fresher from college, you need to be strong in these skill sets: GD&T, new product development, fixture design, CAM programming, 7QC tools, inspection gauge design, 3D modeling and finite element analysis. To work in the different departments of the core mechanical industry, these skill sets will be very much supportive for you. If you want to work in industry department like quality department, R&D, production, supply chain or the vendor development and purchase department, the 7QC tools and the 8D problem solving skills will be a very good supportive tool for your daily day-to-day activities, as well as you'll be able to grow up in your career if you are strong in these skills. The outcome of the course will be you will be able to understand the component rejection analysis in a proper systematic way using the 7QC tools. You can prioritize the various quality rejections in your factory by using these tools. Using the 7QC statistical process control method, you can stabilize the vendor's manufacturing process, as well as you can monitor the in-house manufacturing facilities to reduce the rejections and improve the profit. You can understand various industry case studies with examples for 7QC and 8D problem solving techniques, and you can apply these to your day-to-day activities, including your own studies. Once you log into the course, once you register and log in, if you click on the My Courses, you can see all the courses for which you have registered. So, if you click on the 7QC and problem solving technique, you can see this course content is divided into 2 weeks. It is systematically planned and scheduled in an order that you will be able to learn everything thoroughly. Each week will have a lot of subtopics under each headings. If you click on the heading, you can see the theory content as well as supporting video. The theory content is available for each and every topic which you can go through on your own, and video content is also supported for every topic, and these videos are available in different languages as per your convenient. Whichever you feel convenient, you can select the language, and there is no limitation for one language. You can start with one language, you can switch over to anything in between also. At the end of every topic, there will be an assessment questions will be available. These questions are given very clearly to make sure that you understand the concept completely, and this will be helpful for you to apply in your day-to-day activities as well. The main advantage which you do here is the difference between the online and the offline course. When you do an online course like daily, when you go there and attend the course, most of the contents are dumped onto you within a short duration of 1 or 2 days. This doesn't give you ample amount of time to practice and apply whatever you have learned, and that will be forgotten in the long run and becomes of less use for you. Whereas here we got the flexible timings for you. There is no prescribed timing like 6 o'clock you have to start, 7 o'clock you have to start, like that. On your own comfortable time, you can spend any number of hours, any number of days as per your flexibility. This will give you some breathing space for analyzing the studies whatever you have done, and you can practice and apply in your day-to-day activity. If you see in the week number 2, there are a lot of industrial case studies have been taken, lot of examples have been taken to make sure that you are understanding very clearly how to apply these techniques. Once you successfully complete the course, you will be given with a certificate of excellence from CreaTech Services, which is recognized across the industry. If you want to register for this course and enhance your skill set, you can log into learnnew.org, or you can scan the barcode and directly enroll for it.